Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Current Affairs. First news is Center assures safe portable tap water by 2022 in every household of northwestern states under the Jal Jeevan mission. The Jal Jeevan mission was launched in the year 2019. Actually, by the year 2024, the total country should be supplied of the potable tap water. But in the northwestern states, they will be completed by the year 2022 only. Next one, JB Mohapatra was given the additional charges of CBDT. Yes, CBDT is Central Board of Direct Taxes. The former chairman of CBDT is PC Modi. Next news, 1232 kilometers, The Long Journey Home. It is a book which is written by Vinod Kapri. Actually, this book is written based on the first wave of lockdown in India. During this book, sorry, in this book, the journey of the 7 migrant workers from Bihar was written and how they have successfully completed their journey to reach their final destination. Next one, Ranjit Singh Disale, appointed as the World Bank Education Advisor. He is the first Indian to have been awarded the Global Teacher Award in 2020. And the project aim is to help the country's learning by improving teaching professional. Next one. Now, the World Bank projected India's economic growth will be 8.3 percentage in 2021 and 7.5 percentage in 2022. Recently, we have also seen that RBI told the GDP growth will be 9.5 percentage for this fiscal year, and we have to also remember the all the GDP growths which were given by the all the sources. ADB has projected plus 11 percentage for this fiscal year, and S&P Standard and Poor's has projected it will be 9.8 percentage for this fiscal year. Next one, the foreign minister of Maldives, who is Abdullah Shahid, was elected as the president of UNGA, United Nations General Assembly. He is the 76th president for UNGA. The former president of UNGA is Volkan Bozkir, who is from Turkey. And this post will be held on an annual basis. For every year, this post will be revised. And he is the first president to for the UNGA from Maldives. Next one. France will make a contribution of 1 million euros to the ISA, International Solar Alliance. And this amount is expected to benefit the ISA's flagship program, which is STAR-C, Solar Technology Application Resource. This STAR-C aims to building the network of technical training about the solar energy and infrastructure products around the world. The headquarters of ISA is at Gurugram and the Director General is Ajay Mathur. Next one, Spurti Priya. Facebook named Spurti Priya as its grievance officer for India. After the guidelines given by the India to the social media, the Facebook appointed Spurti Priya as a grievance officer for India. Next one, Anup Chandra Pandey was appointed as the election commissioner. and the chief election commissioner is Sushil Chandra. Next one. The central government said it had approved the construction of nearly 3.61 lakh houses under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. Here, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban is launched in the year 2015. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong, and be home, be healthy.